This is game 1 of the World Series between the Beasts and the Firecrackers. It is a 3-game series. Firecrackers will be home game 1 and 3, and Lucas will be home game 2. The ceremonial first pitch. And the first pitch of the World Series is a ball. This is Antonio's first game in probably close to a month, at least. Actually, it's going to be over a month. It's going to be low. 2-0. Down. 3-0. This is Lucas's first ever World Series appearance. Antonio's been there every time and has lost every time. This is my first year not being in the championship. 5-0. Oh, ball 6? Yeah. My bad, ball 6, guys. Full count pitch is outside, ball 6. 4-2 pitch. Strike 3 goes. Lucas strikes out. And it's inside. Bases loaded for Lucas with 1 out. Oh, that's back. And gone! Lucas with a grand slam in the World Series. First World Series hit is a grand slam. Five 5-0. And ball 6. Ball 1. And that's gone. That's back-to-back homers. Lucas, 2 hits, 2 home runs. That's mercy in the World Series. 5-1 and ball 6. Full count. And that's outside. First and second. And outside. Ball 6. Bases loaded, no outs. 2-2 pitch. Strike 3. Got it. First World Series strikeout for Lucas. Oh my. What was that? I thought that was going to hit me. That's a double. That's going to score 2. 5-2 now. It was the backspin. And a single. That's going to drive in another run. 5-3. First and third. And that bounces. He will load the bases again. Nothing he can do there. 1-2. And almost makes an amazing play, but goes right off his palm. Tough play to make. That's going to be an RBI. 5-4 now. 5-0 pitch. Will the first, and Antonio's righty. And that's going to be ball 6. 5-5 after our first World Series inning. Got it. Disgusting pitch. Strike 3. Strike 3. Watches it right down the middle. Bad at bat from Lucas. That's going to make it 5-5 into the bottom of the second. And that is smoked. That is gone. Antonio starts the first pitch of the inning. We'll go up 6-5. And a good start from Antonio. 6-5 after the home run. Oh my God! Oh. I think that just went right in between me and Mia. Oh my God. That's a double. That scared the... Oh my goodness. And that's going to be a ball. First and second as it hits my house. And he almost makes another play. Ripped right at him for the 3rd time this game. That's going to load the bases. Grand slam will end the inning. And that's the second hit of the at-bat. That's going to make it 7-5. 7-5, bases loaded. Big swing and miss. I know that I was sweating the whole game too. Oh. 0-1. Score is 7-5 now. Triple and it hits me. That's gonna be a single. 8-5. Lucas seems to be already giving up. That just hit the top of my garage. 9-5 now is the score. And he fouls it. There's still no outs in the inning. And that's going to end the inning. 10-5, Antonio. All he needs is 2 outs, and he wins game 1. 4-2 pitch again. Full count. Full count pitch. And that's in. Ball 6, got it first. 5-1 pitch. Almost takes his head off. Ball 6. 2-0. And gets it. 2-1. And that's going to be a double. That's going to score a run. 10-6. Second and third now. And gets it. Tony's been painting the outside all day. And that's going to be an out. Oh, he dropped it. The spin messed him up. That's going to be a run. 10-7 now with no outs. First and third. Barn burner. What is he doing? Yes. Fair ball. First to second, that is now 10-8. He has hits. And Antonio's had enough. 0-1. 1-1. I'm calling it. There's going to be I'm calling it strikeout here. Strikeout, watch. 1-1. 1-2. Watch. I'll give you guys a full at bat too. Go get it. 1-2. Hit him. Had a chance of hitting the zone if he wasn't there. 2-2. 3-2. 3-2. 3-2 pitch. 4-2. Watch, you gotta trust my prediction. It's gonna happen. Antonio's upsetty spaghetti. It's gonna happen. 4-2. 4-2 pitch. Just misses full count. Full count pitch. And foul tips it. That's going to be strike 3. Lucas watching game 1 go down. Quite possibly. All right, Antonio's 1 out away from winning. That's going to be a single. That'll load the bases. And, oh, he almost made that play. That would have been insane. 10-9 is the score now. 10-9 now. Ooh, Halloween decorations on. And a swing and a miss. 0-1. Still 2 strikes away from winning game 1. Swing and a miss. 0-2. He goes up down 0-2 early. Will this be the game? Oh, good take there. 1-2. 1-2 pitch. Watches it for some reason. 2-2. 2-2 pitch. How do you think you played after not playing for about a month and a half?
First thing I did terrible, pitching wise. I mean, I feel like I got unlucky with pitches, like they just missed, but other than that, still pretty bad.
You think the bat was good?
Yeah.
All right. We will see you next weekend for our last week of Blitzball.
Yeah.
For the year. What are your thoughts after game 1? Just an overall thing.
I did good in the first inning.
I would agree.
they're pretty bad. Third inning pitching. I didn't even. My arms cooked.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't really trying in the third inning, but I still made it a little close.
Yeah, 10-9 was the final score. What are your hopes going into Game 2? You now have to win 2 in a row to win the World Series.
Hope that my arm is feeling better and I can hit good again.
Yeah, we'll see you next weekend
Yeah.
for Game 2 and possibly Game 3. Last of BYBL 2025.